time for cursive C. So for uppercase cursive C, we start at this little loop at the top. So it is a little loop, big bump, and a tail. Now I know looking at this, it kind of just looks like a C. You're probably wondering, why do I say a tail? But right here you can see it's kind of straight, and that's what goes into the next letter to connect it. So little loop, bump, and a tail. Can you see how it's a little bit more straight here than a regular C? Little loop, bump, tail, little loop, bump, tail. Got the top part of my loop there. Lowercase c, just half the size, no loop. So it's just a little bump, tail, little bump, tail, little bump, tail. Take that all the way across. All right, nicely done. Upper and lowercase c.